Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So, today's topic of Moto Vlog is what kind of weather you all ride in. Like, do you ride in all weather conditions, or there's some weather that you would absolutely avoid? So, let's get started. Before I start, I would like to thank you all for all your support and would like to mention that YouTube tells me that about 90% of you watching my videos are not subscribed. So please hit the subscribe button and the notification icon so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Thank you. So beautiful weather to start the ride today, but it's a bit of a weird kind of weather too. It's a weather where it's windy, it's rained a little bit just as I got out. And, it's been on my mind for some time, and I was like, you know what, I should make a moto vlog about it and talk to all of you, and maybe, you'll share your thoughts with me. So let me start with this, that I, for one, used to absolutely hate riding in rain or on gravel roads. Like, it's a nightmare for me, I can say it this way. And anytime I came across mostly I would say a gravel road which is not paved, I would be so stiff while riding and would just not be, I cannot function. Let's put it this way, I wouldn't be able to function properly on a gravel road. I just don't know why. It would just scare the shit out of me, and a whole different riding experience if I was ever stuck. And while riding on the road, you come across all kind of roads, so it's not like all kind of weather too. I mean, it could be sunny one minute, raining the other, windy, could be anything can happen. You're riding, you get a notification saying, okay, there's a thunderstorm approaching, similar to how you would be when in the car. But yeah, with this one, it was a nightmare for me, absolutely. Like, I got stuck once on my BMW R90, and I remember for a week or two I just couldn't get myself out of it. It was a nightmare. It was a very, very bad unpaved road that basically what it did was led me to going up and down on a gravel with stones on it. Absolutely nightmare, similar to like how I'm going down now. But right now I have a paved road with this beautiful view, and the fall leaves and the color, it's a different than what I was stuck in. What I realized is I need to get over that fear, that damn fear that I had and I wouldn't ride in. I just feel a good rider should be able to ride in all riding conditions, all riding weathers. That's how it should be. So what I did is lately I started riding, and that's something recent that I'm changing, myself. I wouldn't say I'm a pro in that. I will say I'm still changing. I'm still getting there. But now I'm pushing myself. I'm like, yes, buddy, you can do it. Go out and ride. When it's raining, go out and ride. When it's, if I come across an unpaved road, not by choice, yes, feel confident about it. So no need to be scared, and that's kind of loosen things up. I'm getting better at it than being fearful about coming in that condition and stiffing my body, and I'm holding the handlebar for my life. So what I did, like I said, is started riding, and slowly I feel like I'm getting better at it. I've learned how to I would say master my skills, and ride on that particular situation. In that situation, how to react, it's making me better rather than me getting stuck in that situation and I'm not prepared for it. And I always have that fear that, oh my god, if I come across this situation, it's a nightmare. Obviously most people love riding in summer, good, nice, warm weather. I've ridden in temperatures where it's been 50 degrees centigrade, super hot temperatures back in Middle East when I was there. So I've kind of had the experience of a very extremely hot weather too. But for me, summer is always better than winter, and extreme temperatures sort of kind of make your body stiff anyway. But that's a different story. But the nightmare is typically rain, and the fear for the rain as well is that I'm riding, I'm stiff on the handlebar, I'm holding it for my life, and the reason is that I don't want the motorcycle to slip. Well, guess what? I realized I watched a lot of videos, a lot of training videos, and I realized the more stiff your body is, the more prone you are to any accident. And the reason is because when you're stiff, you're not leaving that room for your body to move. To let's say you come across a situation, the motorcycle slipping or something like that, and your body is stiff. So the split second decision that you can make is what you cannot anymore. And that is where I'm trying to improve myself. So something, like I said, it always was on my mind, and I was like, okay, you know what, it's time. When I got the gold ring, I was like, I have plans to travel around the world, and the only way I can do that is sort of getting out of that fearful situation. Okay, and that's what I did. So I slowly got out of it, and I feel that I'm better. So now when I see it's raining, because that's one thing in my hand, I do go out and ride. I go out for a short spin. Yes, the after effect is the motorcycle gets damn dirty and I gotta wash it again. But when I know my motorcycle's dirty and it's about time to be washed, I take it out on the rain. I'm like, let it get dirty, man. This is supposed to be dirty. Go out and ride in the rain and enjoy. And that's what I've been doing. So hopefully soon a motor vlogs coming out with me riding in the rain. But yeah, feel free to let me know, what kind of weather you ride in, or if there's how did you overcome a fear you had in riding, like in a riding weather condition? What did you do? I would love to hear from you, know your comments below. And yeah, thank you so much for all your support, guys. We were growing, the channel's growing, my hours are growing, and the way it looks like, if it stays like this, I might be able to monetize my channel sometime soon. So thank you for all your love and support. Your comments down, always, your comments below in the comment section always make me happy. Whether it's a criticism or it's a suggestion or anything that you write down, always makes me happy and encourages me to make a new vlog. So or think of a new topic, think out of blue for a new topic to address, or what I think about it. Maybe that opens up to idea for you to suggest or anything. So make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and the notification icon as well, so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.